Ever had a burning question about your Monese account and felt like you were lost in a digital maze trying to find an answer? You're not alone. Today, we're cutting through the clutter and showing you exactly how to get in touch with Monese. Let's dive in. Monese, like many other digital banks, prides itself on convenience and speed. But when things go sideways, or you simply need a human touch, finding the right contact point can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Let's change that. First things first, let's talk about the Monese app. It's your one-stop shop for most things Monese. So, where do you start? Look for the little help icon. It's usually tucked away in a corner. Tap on that, and voila! You'll likely find a treasure trove of information. From FAQs to step-by-step guides, there's a good chance your query is already answered. But what if it's not? Don't worry, the app has more to offer. Most modern banking apps have an in-app chat feature, and Monese is no exception. It's like having a personal assistant right there in your pocket. You can ask questions, report issues, and even request certain actions. The response time is usually pretty quick, and you get to interact with a real person, albeit through a screen. Email is another classic way to reach out. For Monese, the address is support@monese.com. Simple, right? But remember, this is usually for less urgent matters. If your card is lost or stolen, or you're facing a fraudulent transaction, you'll want to use a more direct method. Now, here's a tip. When you email Monese, be as clear and concise as possible. Tell them exactly what the problem is, and include any relevant details like transaction numbers or dates. The more information you provide, the faster they can assist you. Okay, so we've covered the app and email. What about phone support? Well, Monese does offer phone support, but it's usually reserved for urgent issues or customers who prefer a more traditional method of communication. You can find the number on the back of your Monese card. A word of caution, phone support can be busy, especially during peak hours. If your issue isn't urgent, consider using the app or email first. Now, let's talk about social media. Monese is active on various platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. While you can't expect to get personal account support through these channels, they're great for general inquiries, feedback, and staying updated on Monese news. So, there you have it. You now have a clear roadmap to contacting Monese. Remember, the app is usually your best bet for most queries, followed by email for less urgent matters. Phone support is there for emergencies, and social media is for general interactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.